3 pairs of dumbbells in 3-pound, 5-pound, and 8-pound sizes. Ideal for resistance and other trainings. The durable, neoprene material-coated cast iron is great for indoor and outdoor workouts. Neoprene coating on weights allow for a secure grip. The hex shape of the dumbbells prevents them from rolling. Easy to assemble. Weight stand is included. A assembly tool is included for your convenience too. Top reviews from the United States. Just what we wanted. I was aghast at the cost when I looked at free weights and dumbbell sets. I settled on this little set because, well, I am pushing 70 and not going to be lifting 100 pounds anyway. When they arrived, I was dismayed at the shape of the outside box. I thought for sure they'd be damaged and need to be replaced. Nope. These little guys are sturdy enough to stand up to shipping abuse. The stand was easy to assemble as well. And now for the coup d'etat, they're easy to hold and just perfect for what we need. Enjoy.